Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about some interesting Forex pairs. Yeah, you know the vibes. Please, I want you all to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also drop your thoughts in the comment section. For those interested in learning how to trade the Forex market like a pro, I will drop my numbers in the description so you can hit me up on WhatsApp. Please, I will urge you all to stay to the end of this video so as to prepare yourself for a new trading week. And also, please don't forget to drop your favorite pairs you would like me to analyze in our next video. Yeah, let's quickly get started. This week was actually an interesting week where I took some interesting trades that gave me some profits. For that, we'll quickly get started with the US30. So from the US30, based on the 4 hours time frame, you will notice that the US30 came down on a Monday and it consolidated a little around this point, and it seemed like it was forming a double bottom, and this was how I took advantage of this trade. So we'll quickly go over to the 30 minutes time frame. So coming down to the 30 minutes time frame on the US30, when I noticed that the market came down, because this move happened on a Monday, when I noticed that the market came down to this point, even on a 30 minutes time frame, it formed a mini double bottom. So I was able to wait for a buy entry, like a buy signal, for me to take this trade. So when the market gave me a bullish engulfing, I took a trade on this that gave me a 5:1, which is actually huge. For those who are familiar with the US30 gold, there are some interesting and high volatile trades pairs to trade. So when I took this trade, it gave me a huge profit on a Tuesday. So when I got out from this point, I was anticipating the market to retest at this point and continue to move to the upside, which the market didn't actually do. When it broke below this point, I drew a trend line connecting this point and this point on a 15 minutes time frame actually. So I connected these 2 points together, and I waited for the market to give me a retest of this point. Then I was anticipating the market to give me at least to get back to this 100% retracement at which it retested this point from. So when I saw an entry signal at this point, and I took the trade. The market didn't actually get up to that point, but it gave me a 3:1. If you look at it, market gave me a 3:1. Then I was able to take my partials and also set break even. So market actually reversed and stopped me out at my break even. So for the US30, what I'll be expecting from the coming week is, it seems like this is like the double bottom. This is like the neckline, and we've broken above it. It seems like we came and retested, even though the retest was not clear or clean. But it seems like we retested this the neckline of this. So on a 1 hour time frame, what I'll be expecting from this coming week is I will kindly wait for a retest of this level here and a continuation to the upside, and which is just as simple as how I take my trades. If I wait for a retest of this zone here, then my first take profit will be this point. Then if it breaks above it, then I'll be expecting also a retest of this level, then a continuation to the upside. This will be my scenario to go long on the US30 in this coming week. So for me to go short on US30 would be, I will kindly wait for the markets to break below this zone again, a retest of this level. Then this same level would be my first take profit target. Then a break of it, a retest, and a continuation to the downside. So I'll kindly wait for the markets to get to this level. So if it gets to this level, I'll take some partials out. Then I'll kindly wait for it to break and retest this level to get a continuation to the downside. So outside the market doing any of these two, I won't take this trade, any trade on the US30. Or probably as the week unfolds, you might still see some good setups for you to be able to take either long or go short on US30. But for now, these are my scenarios to go long or short on the US30. I'll quickly move over to the gold. So gold for this the previous week I took 2 trades on gold. One was a loss and one was profit. So let me quickly go over to the loss I took on gold. I took a trade when I expected the markets to come and retest this level. Let me quickly show you. I was expecting the markets to come and retest this level here. So immediately I saw a retest. I waited for an entry signal, which I took. So my stop loss was actually very tight at this level. So when I took the trade, it immediately moved to my direction and then reversed and stopped me out. After it stopped me out, the market actually now pulled down to give me, if I was in the trade, I would have gotten like a 4:1 on this particular move to the downside. Market didn't actually get to this level and it reversed halfway. So quickly, this is the second trade which I took that gave me a profit, profit. So even when the market now showed me that it didn't want to go pull down, I quickly changed and switched to my bias. I would have taken a trade here, but the retest was not smooth for me, so I patiently waited and the market pulled and broke above this one. This was where I now waited for the market. So when market came here, did a retest, I took the trade on a 30-minute time frame when it gave me a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. So this market now gave me almost a 3:1. So it actually covered up for the loss it gave me previously when I went for sales. So on the new coming week, what I'll be expecting from the gold, because now it seems like we've broken above the all-time highs also, because gold has been on a massive bullish trend. So we've broken above this all-time highs here. So I'll kindly wait for a retest of it, a retest of this like this, then probably a continuation. So this also will be my first take profit, then a retest of it. If we manage to break above it, then I'll be scaling up my profit as we go higher. So this is my scenario to go long on a gold. But first of all, I'll kindly wait for a retest of this zone here. Then if I am to go short, if I am to take a short sales on gold, I'll kindly wait after a consolidation around this zone here. I'll kindly wait for a sell signal that will take, because I am still expecting like a retest of this zone. So I'll wait for a signal so that I can be able to take the trade. I can be able to go short on gold from these levels here down to this point, which will also give me a decent profit. It should give me almost 3:1 on the gold if I am going short. But mind you, because we all know that gold is on a massive bullish trend, if I am going short, you have to be very careful, more especially probably when it gives a certain movement. You have to set your break even, because markets can reverse halfway on this particular trend. We might actually get to this level here and you see the market suddenly will reverse and continue its move to the upside. So once you're trading against the trend, you have to be careful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. So quickly we'll move over to the GBP USD. So for the GBP USD, this was a trade which I took one trade on the GBP USD, which was on a Friday. I kindly waited for a break above. Sorry, I took 2 trades on GBP USD. So the first one was a break and retest of this level, which gave me a 2:1. Then secondly was also a break and retest of this zone here, and I took the trade, which also gave me 2:1. So US30, I took 3 trades sorry, US30, I took two trades, which one was take profit, one and the other one was break even. The gold, I took two trades, one was loss and one was one hit my take profit. The GBP I took two trades, all two of them were wins. So this was the trade I took, and this trade was actually one of the fastest I've taken. It hit my take profit within 20 minutes, and it gave me a 2:1. So what I'll be expecting from the GBP in the coming week is, if we quickly go over to the daily time frame to observe what we are seeing here. So from the daily time frame, you will notice that the pair is not actually giving a good direction, but we are still expecting a upward movement on GBP. So for this now, what I'll be looking at is a break, since we've formed like a double bottom, a double top on this point here. So I'll be expecting like a retest of around this zone here and a continuation to the downside. So this is my observation. Then a continuation to the downside if I am going short. Then for my long bias, if I am going long on GBP, what I'll be expecting is a break of this level, a retest. My first take profit will be this zone here. Then second take profit, I will actually scale it up when when the market is moving up to the upside. So this is my bias on GBP. I don't have much to say on GBP, but this is what I'll be expecting for the GBP if I am going long or short. So quickly, I'll move over to the USDJPY, which a friend of mine recommended. So the USDJPY also gave a good signal for those who followed up our previous analysis which we did. So USDJPY gave, when it came down to this point, it retested. This was when it gave me a signal to take the trade. Actually, I didn't take the trade on the USDJPY, but I actually sent the signal to a friend of mine, and he took it and he made huge profit from the USDJPY. Even when the market still broke down to this point and retested, I still sent him the signal, and which he took and gave him a decent take profit. So this will give him over a 4:1 from my entry signal on USDJPY. So for the coming week, what I'll be expecting will be market coming over to this point, because if we are actually expecting like a bullish move on the GBP and the gold, most times they move opposite directions. So the USDJPY, I will be expecting like a bearish move. So when on the 1 hour time frame, we'll be expecting like a continuation to the downside, a retest, and this is how I'll be scaling down my take profits. Sorry, let me quickly delete this. So I'll be expecting like a retest. If for those who will be taking this trade, what I'll expect you to do is to kindly wait for the market to get back to this point, probably give you like a double top on this one, then you can push to the downside. If we should break below this level, a retest of this level, then so this is how I'll be expecting the USDJPY to play out. For those who are interested on following or taking the USDJPY trade. So this is my scenario for me to go short on the USDJPY. So if I am going long on USDJPY, I'll kindly wait for a break above this level here, a retest of it, then you push to the upside. So the both of them are this is my scenario to go short on USDJPY, and this is also the scenario which I'll be expecting when I want to go long on USDJPY. So this week was actually a decent week for me, so I'll be anticipating a better week from the pairs. This week we had like the CPI and also some minor news which affected the markets. Next week, I'm not sure if we'll have any like strong news in the market, but I will be anticipating some interesting analysis to play out on any of these pairs. So I'll be looking at the US30, the gold, GBP USD, and also the USDJPY. But one of my favorite pairs, which I love to trade, is the gold. But because of gold is actually trending and trading above its all-time high, so I am very, very careful nowadays when I'm taking a trade on gold. So these are my outlook for a new week on these few pairs: the US30, gold, GBP USD, and also the USDJPY. So I will see you guys on our next video. Please also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video, so that you can follow up with the weekly analysis and get yourself prepared to make profits. Thank you all, and see you guys in our next class.